Hi, I'm Tim Gibson, and I'm going to talk to you about drill bit sharpening instructions. Now, drill bits have a very precise angle that they are ground to on the tip, which allows them to cut and draw into the material correctly. It's very difficult to achieve this angle by sharpening by hand because it is at a specific angle and it's actually a rounded cut. So it's usually a good idea to use a piece of equipment such as this, which is designed specifically to sharpen drill bits. So what I want to do is we have a chuck, and there's a couple flat places on the chuck that locate and help to secure it into this side panel. And what we've got to do is we've got to set the depth of this drill bit into this chuck. So how we do this is we push this button on the side, and then we press this chuck in, and there's a stop inside. Now you take your finger and you hold that drill against the stop, and then when you release this button, it actually pulls some teeth in onto the drill bit to hold it in place. Then all we've got to do is twist and tighten to hold that drill bit securely. Push the button, release the chuck. Now the next thing we'll do is there's a couple of white index marks here on your chuck, and we're going to place that into the sharpening device so that these marks are straight up and down or at the beginning of this top reference point on your drill sharpener. Then all we need to do is we are going to turn it on. We'll rotate to the other mark, holding pressure down, and then we'll rotate it one more time. So we're going to make a complete revolution all the way around to sharpen both angles of the drill bit. Now I'll demonstrate. So you can see the grinding wheel in this drill sharpening tool puts the right angle on it and gives you a nice sharp reconditioned bit. And all we have to do is unscrew the chuck, pop our drill bit out, and now it's ready to use. So I'm Tim Gibson with instructions on how to sharpen a drill bit.